Try again tomorrow. Now we're here to try and keep the jersey, and that's for sure our plan again tomorrow. As I said on TV, I think the weather is playing in our favor. Had a hard day, and the rain and the cold doesn't make it easier for anyone, and it was a really strong breakaway out there, and they played the game really smart. So let's say like this, I think Team and Julian, they had to use some bullets today to put them back, but in general the whole team did a super amazing job today.